Hi there, my name is Prashant and welcome to Tech Scenes Today. If this is your first time here and you're interested in consumer tech, creative builds, product reviews, as well as home networking guides, I suggest you start by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to get notified every time we post new content. Today we're going to be discussing some tips and tricks for Black Friday 2019. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to be announcing our new, confirmed, and hopefully not to be changed upload schedule. So Black Friday is falling on the 29th of November this year. Black Friday is something that originated in America and has now been integrated into the South African market. I'm not going to bore you with the history of it because I know you're going to be like, Prashant, I don't care about all that. As long as I'm saving money, that's all I'm worried about. Firstly, you should have a plan. Know what you want and what you're actually going shopping for. Resist impulsive buys and marketing tactics by budgeting, by drawing yourself a budget, as well as create a shopping list which should be adhered to. On items you are shopping for, do not view specials on the day and then decide if it's cheap or worth it or not. Track the prices long before the sale starts so you are positively sure that the special is worth it. If you can avoid the queues and the madness, do it. Most of the bigger chains and stores have websites. Make use of their website. The only downside is that there are high chances that the server could crash, websites might not respond, but it's a risk that I'd be willing to take, rather than taking a risk on my life standing in those queues with those mad shoppers. If you are online shopping, these are some of the things that you should look out for. Biggest of all is beware of scam websites. You can do this by making sure that your web URL, the thing at the top of your browser, begins with HTTPS, which means it's secure. As well as making sure next to the link, the browser displays a lock symbol. But personally, I would suggest do not even try websites that you do not know of. Stick to the big players in online stores, such as Takealot, One Day Only, and there's also Wootware as well as EveTech for computer tech and gadgets. You should make payment using only secure methods. Do not just willy-nilly flash your credit card around. There is a new feature which most banks offer, which allows you to shop online using a virtual card. And if anything happens to your actual card, it is safe. So as I promised, at the end of this video, I was going to be announcing our new upload schedule. So starting from Monday, you'll be seeing mini episodes on the channel being released at 6 p.m. Central African time. Mini episodes will be short videos like this one, which doesn't really pertain to the actual content and is just a fun discussion or maybe behind the scenes videos. On Wednesday, you'd be seeing our regular content being uploaded at 7 p.m. Central African time. Product reviews, home networking and server guides, builds, etc. And on a Friday, you'd be seeing tech news uploaded at 8 p.m. Central African time. Well, you know what the tech news is. If you don't, what the hell are you doing? Go and watch the tech news. And on Sundays, if you want to see some extra content, you could check out my vlogging channel, Prashant D Vlogs, which is for a little more spicier content starting this Sunday. And that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget that besides this week's Wednesday and Friday content, we'd also be uploading a video detailing some of the best Black Friday tech specials that we've found. So make sure you stay tuned to that. thanks for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this video, you could do me a big favor by giving a like rating if you did, as well as sharing it with some of your friends. Educate them and let them know some tips and tricks for Black Friday. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.